Welcome back to Explain the Charts, where we take a deep dive into the market's most intriguing assets. Today, we're looking at Amazon stock, and we'll be analyzing both the news and the chart data to see what kind of picture they paint for us. First, let's take a look at the current news surrounding Amazon. Recent headlines highlight a bullish sentiment for Amazon, with analysts praising the company's advertising strength, particularly driven by Prime Video. JMP Securities has even raised its price target for Amazon to $265, citing expected growth in ad sales. However, we also see concerns about the broader economy and consumer spending, as well as increased competition in the retail space. These factors could potentially weigh on Amazon's stock price in the near term, adding a layer of complexity to the analysis. Now, let's transition to the charts and see what they tell us. Examining the one-day chart, we see a strong upward trend in AMZN's price over the past year. The stock has consistently broken through resistance levels and found support at higher price points. This indicates a strong bullish momentum, suggesting that investors are optimistic about Amazon's future. However, it's important to note that the recent price action has been somewhat volatile. The stock has experienced periods of consolidation, suggesting that buyers and sellers are engaged in a battle for control. This could be a sign that the market is seeking a direction before making a definitive move. Zooming in on the one-hour chart, we gain a more granular view of the recent price action. Over the past few weeks, we've seen some pullbacks and retracements, but the overall trend remains bullish. The stock has found support at the $170 level, indicating a potential floor for the price. However, the resistance levels around $180 have been challenging to overcome, suggesting that sellers may be actively defending this zone. It's critical to observe how the stock behaves around these price levels in the coming days. The 15-minute chart offers an even closer look at the intraday price fluctuations. Here, we see more pronounced volatility with rapid movements in both directions. This can create opportunities for scalpers and day traders, but it also increases risk. The recent price action suggests that short-term traders are actively trying to exploit these fluctuations. It's essential for traders to use appropriate risk management strategies when navigating this environment. We can also see that the stock tends to find support at the $175 level and resistance near $180. This aligns with the observations made on the one-hour and one-day charts, reinforcing the significance of these price levels. Let's delve deeper into the news and analyze how it relates to the chart data. The recent bullish sentiment stemming from Amazon's ad strength could be reflected in the strong upward trend on the one-day chart. The stock's continued climb through resistance levels might suggest that investors are increasingly confident in Amazon's advertising prospects. However, the concerns about consumer spending and competition in the retail space might explain the recent period of consolidation and volatility on the daily chart. The stock's struggle to break through the $180 resistance on the one-hour chart could indicate that these concerns are still impacting investor sentiment. Moving forward, it will be crucial to monitor the stock's behavior around the key price levels we've identified. The $170 level remains a potential support zone for the short term, while $180 serves as a resistance barrier. A decisive break above $180 could signal a continuation of the bullish trend, suggesting that investors are confident in Amazon's future growth. However, a failure to break above $180 and a subsequent drop below $170 could indicate a shift in sentiment and a potential reversal of the bullish trend. In addition to the price levels, we should also keep an eye on the volume. Increased volume accompanying a price break above $180 would reinforce the bullish signal and increase the likelihood of a sustained upward move. Conversely, a significant drop in volume alongside a break below $170 could suggest weakness and increase the probability of a bearish reversal. Other factors to consider include the release of Amazon's upcoming earnings report and any major market events that could impact investor sentiment. We'll need to assess these factors and their potential impact on AMZN's price action. To recap, the news suggests a bullish sentiment for Amazon, driven by strong advertising performance, particularly from Prime Video. However, concerns about the broader economy and competition in the retail space could introduce some volatility. The charts, especially the one-day chart, show a strong upward trend in AMZN's price, but recent price action has been somewhat volatile, with consolidation and retracements. Key price levels to watch include $170 as potential support and $180 as resistance. A decisive break above $180 could signal a continuation of the bullish trend, while a failure to break above this level and a drop below $170 could suggest a bearish reversal. Volume will be an important factor to consider, as increased volume alongside a break above $180 could reinforce the bullish signal, while decreased volume alongside a break below $170 could indicate weakness. Remember, these are just observations and potential scenarios. The market is dynamic and unpredictable, and it's essential to conduct your own research and develop a comprehensive trading strategy. As always, stay informed, manage your risk, and make sound trading decisions based on your analysis.